Greetings. In this video, we are going to see how you can edit a WhatsApp text message. And just to note that WhatsApp gives you a window of 15 minutes through which you can edit your WhatsApp message that you've sent either to an individual or a group. So to begin with, for example, if I come here and text good morning, sir, and I send this, and I realized that I probably made a mistake. I was supposed to say good morning, madam. So to rectify this without deleting, I'll come and first of all long press the message. Then I click on these three dots in the upper corner. Then you'll see this edit function, the last one. I click on edit. And then you'll have room here below to edit here. And now you can put madam like that. And then you click on the tick. And that is how you can edit your WhatsApp message. Just quick reminder, it gives you a window of 15 minutes through which you can do this. Thank you.